Hello guys, welcome to AF Money. So today in this video we have brought you the 10 laws of money to get rid of your money anxiety. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing the channel and like the video. So without further ado, let's begin the video. So the laws of money to get rid of your money anxiety are: number 1, money is emotionless. Money is a neutral thing. The thing that makes money evil or good is the person with the money. If you want to see the true color of a person, give him power. Consider that money is a neutral thing. So the law number 2 is hard work does not mean money. Might be hard, but most of us trade time for money. We get paid according to time we spend, but money is based not on time but on the value we create. So boss who creates more value without doing much work makes more money than you working a whole day. Your reward in life will always be in proportion to your contribution. So the law number 3 is saving money will never make you rich. Money hates sitting still. You should treat money as a servant, not a master. Make investment to create multiple streams of income. Start by investing in low risk market and gradually increase it. Make money your most hardworking servant. And the law number 4 is money is a game. Just like you learning the game rules before playing it, money is no different. It is a game and all the rules of money can be learned and mastered. Sadly, the education system fails to teach this. But you can watch AF Money and learn everything to get your money right. And the rule number 5 is never spend more than you earn. How many of you have seen the person who spends a lot of money than he or she earns? That's the one thing you should avoid doing. As Will Smith said, we spend money we don't have to buy things we don't want to impress people we don't even like. Avoid these mistakes. And the law number 6 is you become what you study. Guess what the wealthy people do in their leisures? They invest in themselves. They make improvement, read books, and learn new things. The more you learn, the more you earn. Knowledge has become the new currency. That's why there are thousands of people who are willing to pay just to listen from the person with more knowledge and experience. And the law number 7 is moving money attracts more money. When you go and save your money in your savings account, it stays still. Instead of you, the bank makes your money work and profit from the interest they charge order as loan. Money is a great servant. Invest in something you know and always keep money working. And the law number 8 is invest in asset before you invest in liabilities. Rich people invest in asset first. Asset means something that puts money in your pocket, where liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. When you get money, instead of buying liabilities, work to build your asset. Can be business, real estate, rentals, and it will guarantee you freedom. And the law number 9 is don't invest in things that rust, rot, and depreciate. What would you choose in books or shoes when you get money? Most people gladly put money on shoes, but very few would invest in book. Even if you buy the shoes, the second after you buy it, it falls half the price. It rots and depreciates. Most people think backwards, don't be most people. And the law number 10 is money is not earned in fear. Most people would rather work a job for 40 years, get minimum pay, but quit their business in first or second year because it is not paying them 10 grand a month. It is a mindset filled with fear, impatience, and lack of ambition. Money is emotionless. It doesn't care for emotional either. Never make money your master and don't be afraid of bad time and crisis. And if you find this video informative, please like, comment and share the video and also subscribe the channel.